Today we'll show you how to successfully request a credit and criminal background check and eviction reports using Avail. It's important to know how an applicant treats their finances, neighbors, and prior landlords. Let us help you gather this data. First, navigate to the unit you're looking to send these reports from. Next, click Applications. Under Application Settings, click Edit. This will take you to the default settings for this unit's applications. You can scroll down to the bottom section labeled Screening Reports, which should be auto-defaulted to have all reports requested. If for any reason one or all of the reports are toggled off, you can easily toggle them back on. You're able to see the prices associated with each report requested. The full bundle of reports is $55, typically paid by the applicant directly from within their account using a credit or debit card. These reports come back in real time, are soft inquiries which won't affect your applicant's credit score and can be reused by the applicant. Once the report looks good to you, you can scroll back to the top and click the X to exit the settings. Congratulations! You've just successfully created your rental application to ensure you're running a credit and criminal background check as well as an eviction report using Avail. Once you're ready to request an application, the screening reports will automatically appear. If you have any additional questions or experience any challenges along the way, you can reach the Avail customer support team by phone, email, or online chat. Details can be found below.